Hi guys, my name is Adam. I'm 20 years old. I just wanted to hop on really quickly here and tell you guys what I've been able to accomplish with Victor's mentorship. Now, just a little bit background on me. Like I said, I'm 20 years old. I started selling HVAC when I was 19, so I've been doing it for about a year and a half or so, and I got to a pretty comfortable level. I was making about $15,000 a month at my peak. And honestly, it was just very, very exhausting. It wasn't about just the work, it was just the people I was working with, the long drives every single day. I was driving 3, 4 hours a day. Honestly, like just taking a big toll on my health. I ended up in the hospital due to my heart. I was having contractions or palpitations. I'm not exactly sure what it was. But realistically, I went in. They said that, you're fine. Your heart feels, or your heart looks fine. It must be just stress. My hair started falling out. You see, I have a very big afro here, so I didn't wanna, lose that anytime soon. My hair was falling out, and honestly, it was just causing quite a bit of stress, and it wasn't worth the money anymore. Now, I've been following Victor for quite some time here. So I think it was just a mixture between all of the things that was happening with my health, as well as just me being completely unhappy with my job. Even though I was making quite a good income for my age, I decided to take the leap of faith and join Victor here. So I've been working with him and really figuring out his techniques. And through his mentorship, I started applying those, I would say earlier in December here. So first week of December of 2021. And now the day is 12:33 a.m. on January 18th. 2022. Now, I didn't expect much of the first few weeks because obviously it was the beginning in YouTube, and I know YouTube is one of those things that takes a little bit longer to succeed in. So I would say I made about $600 in my first month there. So by first week of January there, or about the 3rd of January is when things really started to kick up a notch. I started applying more of his techniques. I actually got on a call with him, and he really took my channel to the next level. I actually have 2 channels right now. They're in similar niches, but they offer different things. I don't want to really spoil any of that. But realistically, I was able to almost replace my entire income. I'm actually on track to surpass what I was making selling HVAC on my second month doing this, which is absolutely insane to me, guys. I have this chart here, and my goal for the end of this month is to make $20,000. At this point in time, I'm at $11,200. So just shy of about $9,000 off to make 20 grand. And like I said, in HVAC, I was making 15 grand, right? So the fact that I was able to replace that entire income like that is beyond insane. Now, I just want you guys to understand, 12:30, I'm not going to sleep. I'm probably going to go to sleep at 4 a.m. here, right? So I work long hours, but I love it. I love the fact that I can wake up whenever I want. I'm able to go to sleep whenever I want. I'm able to work for myself and honestly grow a business for myself instead of someone else. And that's really what resonated with me. And honestly, even if I was making half the money I was making with HVAC, I would still choose this every single time. Why? I feel healthier. I feel happier. I'm able to choose what days I want to work. I'm able to choose what I want to do with my time, right? So realistically, that just makes me feel happier. And that freedom of choice, that freedom of time, it's such a huge thing for me. And obviously the fact that I'm able to make more money because this is infinitely more scalable than anything I could have done selling person to person is obviously a huge plus. But at the end of the day, I just want to hop on just to say thank you to Victor, and hopefully you guys will be able to get similar results as myself here. The fact that I can just work from my room here, obviously I got Victor playing on the side here. I got my Brain FM. I highly recommend you guys install this and listen to it. It helps with focus. But the fact that I'm able to just sit in my room here, right where my bed is, and do all of this work and make this kind of money is absolutely insane to me. And I do just have to thank Victor once again just for everything that he was able to do for me. And I'm really excited to see where he takes his community as well, because if I was able to succeed at 20 years old, even the fact that I was making that much money before and be able to replace it is absolutely huge. And I honestly could not be more thankful.